Hello, welcome to SmartPredict Starter Series. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to perform a time series forecasting project quickly with SmartPredict Autoflow. That is to say, making predictions that involve a time component. Based on AutoML 2.0, Autoflow is SP's groundbreaking approach for automatic DS and ML pipeline generation. In other words, the users will be able to perform an AI project in no time, without coding nor advanced AI knowledge. What's more, what differentiates SmartPredict Autoflow is the ability to be configured even after the deployment. In this tutorial, we'll take an interesting use case: forecasting future sales. The task consists in running Autoflow, which performs on our behalf the entire AI process, from MLDL training until its deployment. At the end, accurate predicted sales are provided to us in the predict space. Let's get started. First of all, let's create a new project. Once the project has been created, SP places us in the Autoflow space where all the steps to follow are indicated. So, let's select our dataset, otherwise let's upload it first. Choose to upload a static file or a dataset from the different sources. So here is our dataset. It contains the previous daily sales of our product. Note that the dataset must have a column with a standard datetime format so that Autoflow can correctly identify the time series. For the configuration, select the target column, that is to say, the column which contains the quantity of sales to forecast in our case. Then, launch Autoflow with the chosen results. Autoflow executes the ML workflow up to the generation of relevant flowcharts. View the leaderboard to see the result. Select the one with the best performance metrics. Click on Save and run the flowchart. The flowchart has run the build space to train and evaluate the AI model. Note that this is a customizable flowchart. For those who want to make some exploration, they can modify, use their custom module, and run this flowchart at will. Otherwise, get directly to the deploy space to deploy the trained model. Choose this first option that will auto-generate a deployment flowchart in the deploy space. Note that it's also a fully customizable data science pipeline that will be fully deployed as a web service. Therefore, feel free to pursue customization when putting the trained model in production. You can add, for example, your custom module, which performs other post or pre-processing operations. Click on the rocket icon to deploy. Use the URL and access token provided in the monitor space to operate it in another environment. For this, you can find samples of code here. Otherwise, get directly in the predict space to see the prediction. Put and send the request. We get daily forecast sales for the next 30 days. We can visualize the predicted results here in tabular or graphical form. We are already at the end of the tutorial. If you have any question, put it in comment or ask directly to SmartPredict community. SmartPredict, the easiest way to bring AI to life.